Hey guys, I have this, but then Harbor Freight came out with this. People are saying it's really not worth it because there's some things that this one doesn't have that the other one has. Like they pass through a bunch of other things I think they mentioned in a few Facebook groups and on few Reddit subforums and whatnot, I think. And let's see what this one has. That adapter makes me think it's probably 4th inch to 38. I don't know. And honestly, it's making me debate based on what I'm hearing from people if I even want to buy it. But then hopefully you guys like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload live stream, make YouTube shorts. And keep an eye on the community tab to YouTube Mix features where you get notified when I post in the community tab. Bye guys, peace, I'm out.